Hello guys, this is Aman Gojri and you're watching TeckTalk, and today in this video I'm showing you how to turn off Facebook in-app sounds. So first of all guys, open the Facebook app and then go to the menu bar and then scroll down and then go to settings and privacy option, and from here just touch on settings, and when you will go to settings, scroll down and then go to media and contact, and from here just turn off the sounds in the app. And if you also want to turn off the video autoplay, then go to autoplay and just tap on never autoplay videos. So that's it guys, it was a quick review how you can turn off the autoplay videos and in-app sounds. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video please hit the like button. Thank you.